Hi, JoAnn here. I just have a quick little project today to show you a super easy fix for a pair of jeans, and it saves time, easier than it has to do with the zipper. I'm going to turn the camera right onto the project before I even show you what it is, but super easy repair. Take you 5 minutes and you won't have to pay to get a zipper replaced in a pair of jeans. So here we go. Okay, so what we have here is a pair of jeans. They're actually capris, and there are 4 teeth missing off of the one side right here. So instead of replacing the zipper, excuse me, what I'm going to do is I'm going to try to line this up. I guessed about 4 teeth. There's 3 or 4. But we're going to line this zipper up right about where those teeth are missing and try to start it. Look, it started right up pretty good. And what we want to do is zip them up and make sure that it's even at the top, which there we are, we're perfectly even. And we're going to leave those zipped, but what we're going to do now, if we turn these around, you'll see you'll have your little flap here. So it's going to be a little tricky to get in and out of there. But all we're going to do is, let me get my finger back in there so I know where I'm at. We're just going to take a needle and thread with some matching thread. And we're going to we'll start from the back. Right about there. You want to go on the tooth just above where that is missing. See? I don't know if you can see that needle or not. Let's zip that up a little bit. And we're going to bring that up through. And we are just going to sew kind of a new bottom to this zipper. And you want to do a pretty hefty job of it. You want to go around there quite a few times. And try to stay nice and close to the zipper so that it's not noticeable. I'm hitting the back there. There we go. There we are. Okay, I went ahead and just did that off camera because it is a tedious little job right there. And I poked my finger like 3 times at least, so this is not going to be, you know, a joyous little occasion. But it doesn't look bad. It matches up pretty good. And honestly, you're never going to see that. So you can bring that zipper right on down to that. And it's going to hold really well. I sewed over that at least 30 times. And I imagine she lost about a 1/2 inch of zipper altogether. But I have no doubt that it'll hold up just fine and she'll never have another problem with it. But I couldn't see replacing that zipper just for that. Especially being those low rider kind of pants. Let me give you a little bit better view. They're pretty low waisted. So once you look at this again, you'll see that she'd have to be showing somebody that to have them even know it was there. So that's my quick easy fix for a zipper that is missing a few teeth. And I have actually another project that I'm going to show you tomorrow. that the same girl gave me. She wishes to remain anonymous because she doesn't want the person who did this repair job to know that she gave somebody these pants and made fun of them. But it is the worst hem job I have ever seen in my entire adult life, and I can't wait to show it to you. It is the most hideous mess. I don't know how anybody, the woman that did this was actually a seamstress, and I don't know how anybody who calls themselves seamstress could hand this project to another human being. So look for that tomorrow. You'll get a chuckle. And check out some of my other videos. I've got all kinds of different little tutorials and reviews. And please, by all means, click the subscribe button. It helps me so much. I'm getting close to 1,000 subscribers, and when I get really close, I'm going to have a really nice giveaway. So please help me to get there and let me give you things. All right. Have a good day. Thanks for coming by.